RADICL's MLA, or Managed Log Analytics, is our new SIEM services we're offering. In this, we will be able to connect into on-prem solutions such as your Windows Event Forwarding, syslog feeds, as well as API collection over the cloud. And in this system, we will then ingest and normalize that log data, making it very quick and easy to search across multiple data sets. Our search is powered by Elastic, so you can come in and complete search queries as you'd like to see fit. We also offer a query generator, which will convert a simple question into a search query for you. In addition to being able to do these types of searches, you can create saved searches to quickly run and look for the log data that you're looking for. Because RADICL manages the data normalization process, it ensures that as you ingest log data, you'll be able to search across multiple log types without having to do advanced queries. Instead, all the different services will be normalized, so fields such as username will be repurposed and populated across multiple log types. With RADICL's MLA, you'll be able to store and meet any CMC compliance requirements around log aggregation.